Good morning, everyone. It is the 31st of August, 2021, bright and early, Tuesday morning. Don't forget to stop by perfectstormtrading.com. Drop your first name and email in the box and enter the contest to win a free copy of the Perfect Storm Trading Book and the Indicator Tool Set. Let's get on to the charts for today and see what we got going. So we got that strong bullish morning that we anticipated. If you saw yesterday's video, I mentioned when we came off of this flat bottom here that we were starting to trek up on the green line, and when the blue line bottomed, we got the beginning of the move. Notice how when the blue line bottomed just below the -10 line right here where I have my cursor and this blue vertical line, that was the point of the breakout of the consolidation area, and we got a nice strong move up out of that area. It went from 11 up to 33 at that point, straight up. And then what happened? We peaked out here. As the blue line peaked out, we went into a little sideways to down, just like the blue line, and then we started to trek up a little bit, and then we corrected again as the blue line made its peak and started down. We got a little bit of sideways to downward action. Then we pushed up again last night. Overnight we made that push up. Now what we're coming into here, we're flatlining on the green line, and the blue line has some downward pressure. So we have a bit of downward pressure while the green line overall is still trekking upwards into tonight, early tomorrow morning, but we are flatlining now. So we're going to have a little bit of downward pressure from the blue line. The Vedic chart turns bullish around 10 o'clock, and it's mostly bullish for the rest of the trading session, or actually until 2:45. Then we get a little bit of bearish pressure there, but overall we should be more bullish up into the early morning, and then we kind of turn down tonight, and we have downward pressure then on the green line into the rest of the week. So we'll watch that, see how that turns out. The key part to watch today though is when the blue line bottoms in this area here. We got a spike down 11:30, 11:50, and then we have another low on the that line at 209, about 209 to 220 area, and then we get a strong surge up on the blue line. So those are the kind of the key things to watch. We've got a conflict here where the green line tops and pushes down, so it's a little tricky area. So let's see, play that one and just play our triggers there without trying to predict the trend too much. One of those lines will dominate, and you want to go with that. Looking at the pH for today, we've got the standard projections. The first move is going to be about 620 to 630 area. End of that segment 726. End of the P3 main segment 1041. Afternoon segment about 158 to 207, 208, and then that segment ends at about 303 today. So that's what we're looking at there. We've got the two big projections from the overnight low and high. The first projection is in. See, that was a little bit late. The market reversed a little bit up front of that one. The second projection is about 9 a.m. Now this one we can project forward again. So we're at the beginning of the gray block, so that's going to project out to about 1150 area. So that'll give you another time projection for today. So we'll watch that, see what happens. That's it for today. We'll be back again with another video tomorrow. We'll see you then.